Lajo,
Yes, ma'am.
say something about your daily routine.
Okay, ma'am. I want to tell you that my name is Lajo. I get up in the morning at 6 a.m. After that, I go to walk with my friends and sister. After that, I come to my house. After that, I complete the homework. After that, I take brush and bath. I take after that I take breakfast. After that, I go to coaching. After that, I come to my house from coaching. After that, I take brunch and sleep. After that, I teach to my brother and sister. After that, I complete the homework. After that, I go to walk with my friends. After that, I come to my house. After that, I prepare dinner. After that, I worship. After that, I take dinner. After that, operate mobile. After that, I go to my bed and sleep. Thank you.
Very good. Well done. Clapping.